Sab is very caring daughter. She takes care of her youngest sister. She's very lovely. She's very kind and smart.
This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground.
Masunurin siya. She always listen. Magalang siyang bata. Very smart din siya. And very creative.
Magaling siya sa school every day. Pag tinatawagan namin siya, although we're in Australia, so sa video call, nagre-report naman siya after ng study niya kung ano yung ginagawa niya at saka yung mga assignments niya. She's doing good in school.
Mahilig siyang mag-drawing, create ng kung ano-ano, tapos mahilig siyang sing and dance.
I feel invincible in every way.
She's very hardworking when it comes to studying in school. Kasi ako, ganun lang ako. Hindi naman ako matalino, pero I'm very hardworking through sa mga studies. Nakita ko sa kanya ganun.
Very thankful kami. Kasi siya yung nagbago lahat sa amin. Yun.
Thankful ako nung simula nung dumating si Sab sa buhay namin. Madami siyang binago. Like yung mga priorities namin and yun, future, laging sa kanilang yung naisip namin. Dati for ourselves only. Kasi wala kaming inisip, wala pa kaming responsibility. Pero nung dumating yung mga anak namin, especially Sab, dahil siya yung firstborn. So, lahat ng kung anong meron sa amin, sa kanila lahat yan.
Wish ko para sa'yo, Sab, sana matupad mo yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Sabi mo gusto mo maging doctor, sana matupad.
I can see it in your eyes, the storm. I know you know all of that.
Hi Savi, this is Tita AR. Happy birthday, and I hope you're going to grow up strong, happy, and healthy. Love you, Sav.
You can light in the light and let it show. Let it burn like a fire in your bones. If you're up at night and you're feeling tired and you're barely holding on, you can light in the light and let it show. It's good to have. It's good to have.
Happy birthday! I love you! Sana lumaki kang mabait at masanurin sa magulang. Maging mabait sa mga kapatid at pinsan.
I know you know all of this.
Travel kang mabuti at always be kind. Yun lang, God bless. Happy birthday!
Light in the light and let it show. Let it burn like a fire in your bones. If you're up at night and you're feeling tired and you're barely holding on, you can light in the light and let it show. It's good to have.
hope you treasure this gift as much as I treasure you. So please know that Tita Maisa is always here to guide and support you. And I hope you sa makapag-aga. Ayun lang, I love you, Sab. Happy birthday, Sabi. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo.
You can let in the light and let it show. Let it burn like a fire in your bones. If you're up at night and you're feeling tight and you're barely holding on, you can
Sab, ang wish ko sa'yo, piliin mo kung saan ka laging masaya, kung saan ka magiging happy. Yun lang. Basta happy ka, mas happy kami.
let in the light and let it show. Let it burn like a fire in your bones.
Happy birthday, Sab. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sab. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sabi. Wish you a very nice and talented of my apo.